Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to concatenate two rows in Excel. So let's start this in Excel and you can see here I have a name column. So here I'm going to join the two names in two rows. So this is the first name and this is the Ishan is the second name. Both name I'm going to join together by using the concatenate function with two rows. Okay, so use the is equal to concatenate. Select the concatenate functions and select the first text, comma, first text of the row and select the second text of the row, bracket closed and enter. And that's it. Here you see the two rows is concatenate here, joined together. If you want to space between two names, you just double click on here and edit this formula. I just edit here. After the first text in comma, use the double quote space, double quote comma, and select the second text of the second row and press the enter key. And that's it. Here you see the both name join together in one cell. So drag below this formula and see here the two rows join together by using the concatenate functions. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.